Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have learnt about family of salts. Family of salts. NaCl and KCl is the family of chloride salts, chloride family, and NaCl and Na2SO4 is the family of sodium, or sodium family. In this process, in the family of salts, the sodium chloride NaCl is the main raw material of another produced from the of another materials. So NaCl is the main compound, main sodium salt, main salt in among the all salts. So NaCl also called common salt or sodium salt. NaCl produces so many salts. For example, sodium hydroxide is produced from NaCl. Sodium hydroxide is produced from NaCl. The electricity is passed through aqueous solution of NaCl. This aqueous solution of NaCl is called brine solution. When electricity passes through brine solution, this H2O and NaCl is decomposed into NaOH and chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. Here NaOH is alkali in nature. Chlorine gas, chlorine family. This chlorine gas gives off at anode, and hydrogen gas gives off at cathode. So, in process of production of NaOH from NaCl, the chlorine gas is evolved. This chlorine gas is passed over the dry slaked lime. This chlorine gas passed over the dry slaked lime to form bleaching powder. Passed the chlorine gas produced from this gas is evolved from chlor-alkali process. This chlorine gas is passed over the dry slaked lime CaOH twice to form bleaching powder. Formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. Okay, CaOH twice plus Cl2 gives rise to CaOCl2 plus H2O. CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide, dry slaked lime, CaOH twice, passed over the chlorine gas plus Cl2 gives rise to CaOCl2, that is the formula of bleaching powder, most important, and H2O, water. Okay, formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. Okay, students, uses of bleaching powder. This bleaching powder is bleaches, fade off, disappear the color of cotton or linen in textile industries. Bleaching powder bleaches or fade off or remove of color of cotton or linen in the textile industry. This bleaching powder also used as a ingredient in the so many chemical industries. It is a main ingredient in the so many chemical industries. And the bleaching powder also used in the preparation of chloroform. Means chloroform, mattumandu. This bleaching powder also used in the preparation of chloroform, CHCl3 formula. This bleaching powder used as a oxidizing reagent in so many chemical industries. Okay, now bleaching powder. Formation of bleaching powder. Pass the chlorine gas over the dry slaked lime CaOH twice to form bleaching powder. Formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. Here, look at the board. Bleaching powder. Chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of or passage of chlorine gas and dries like lime. CaOH twice. CaOH twice plus Cl2 gives rise to CaOCl2 plus H2O. Okay. Here formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. Next one, use of bleaching powder. It is used for bleaching off. Bleaching means fade off, disappear the color of cotton or linen in textile industries. It is used for the bleaching of cotton and linen in the textile industries. Bleaching powder used as an oxidizing reagent means removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen to a compound or from a compound. This bleaching powder used as an oxidizing reagent in the many chemical industries. Okay. Next one, used for disinfected drinking water. It is free from disease causing germs from water. Bleaching powder is a disinfecting drinking water. The bleaching powder kills the disease causing germs present in the water if bleaching powder is mixed with the water. Okay, it is used as the reagent in the preparation of chloroform. Bleaching powder is used for preparation of chloroform. CHCl3. Formula of chloroform is CHCl3. Okay, now baking soda NaHCO3, also called sodium hydrogen carbonate. Baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Here the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Preparation of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Mixing of NaCl, H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 ammonia. Mixing of sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. These four components elements are reactants to form NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl, ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate. This sodium hydrogen carbonate is called baking soda. Used in the bakery, bread manufacture, used in manufacture of bread, manufacture of bread and cakes, etc. Okay, baking soda. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Here, combination mixing of NaCl, sodium chloride, H2O, water and carbon dioxide and ammonia. These are all reactants to form ammonium chloride byproduct, and NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda, also called sodium hydrogen carbonate, also called sodium bicarbonate. It is a non-corrosive. It is a non-corrosive corrode metal, corrode element. It is a non-corrode base, mild non-corrode base. It is a mild non-corrosive base. Okay, on heating this non-corrosive base NaHCO3 again divided into Na2CO3, water and CO2. On heating NaHCO3 baking soda is divided into Na2CO3 plus water plus carbon dioxide. On heating Na2CO3, 2 NaHCO3 2NaHCO3 means 2 molecules of baking soda is on heating divided into Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide on heating it is divided into 2Na divided into Na2CO3, H2O and CO2. Okay students, next uses of baking soda. Uses of baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Uses. Sometimes it is used for the faster cooking. The baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate sometimes used for it is added to in the added in the curry or food. It is used for the faster cooking. Faster cooking. So sometimes it is used for the faster cooking. NaHCO3, sodium carbonate, bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, react with acid. Example: tartaric acid or hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. For example, edible oil, tartaric acid. Here, baking soda, baking powder is react with edible oil like tartaric acid. H plus represent the tartaric acid, edible oil. NaHCO3 plus H plus gives rise to CO2 plus H2O and the sodium salt of the tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is a edible oil. Edible oil. This carbon dioxide. In this process, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. This evolved carbon dioxide gas used for the making of bread and cake. To make them carbon dioxide to make them soft, very soft and spongy, very soft and spongy, bulges. It makes the bulges the breads and cakes. The carbon dioxide released in the process of heating of NaHCO3. NaHCO3 react with edible oil tartaric acid to form CO2, H2O and sodium salt of tartaric acid. This CO2 gas is used for the making of cakes and bread to make them soft and spongy. Carbon dioxide to make the bread or cake soft or spongy. Well, here sometimes it is used for the faster cooking. Baking soda. NaHCO3 plus H plus. Here H plus means acid. For example, tartaric acid, edible oil. To form carbon dioxide, water and sodium salt of acid. Okay students, CO2 gas, this CO2 gas causes bread or cake to make them bread or cake to make them soft and spongy, to make them soft, very soft or spongy, very soft or spongy. It is also used in the antacids. Antacid. Example of antacid is magnesium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia. It is a basic in nature. It is also used in the antacids. It acts as a mild antiseptic. Antiseptics means మనకి ఎక్కడైనా ఏదైనా చిన్న దెబ్బ తగిలి లైట్గా బ్లడ్ వస్తే గబగబా కాటన్ తీసుకుని కాటన్లో 4 or 5 డ్రాప్స్ సిరప్ వేసి ఇలా ఉంచుతారు. హాస్పిటల్లో ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్ చేస్తారు. ఆ సిరప్పే దట్ సోడియం హైడ్రోజన్ కార్బోనేట్, బేకింగ్ సోడా. దట్ ఈజ్ సెప్టిక్ కాకుండా దట్ ఈజ్ కాటన్కి యాడ్ చేస్తారు హాస్పిటల్లో, కాటన్కి యాడ్ చేస్తారు హాస్పిటల్లో, యాడ్ చేసి ఇంజెక్షన్ చేసేటప్పుడు రాస్తారు. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇంజెక్షన్ చేసేటప్పుడు రాస్తారు సార్. దట్ ఈజ్ యాంటీసెప్టిక్ సొల్యూషన్. కంటే సోడియం హైడ్రోజన్ కార్బోనేట్ ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు చేస్తారు అవి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ సోడా యాసిడ్. సోడా యాసిడ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ సోడా యాసిడ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద gaseous state. Used in the fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. So baking soda also used in the fire extinguisher. Put up the flame. Put up the flame. Okay, students. We will meet in the next class. Okay.